Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, your go-to channel for in-depth tech product reviews. Today, we've got something that promises to enhance your computing experience, the GUK JOB Wireless Keyboard and Mouse Combo. This sleek and feature-packed combo might just be the upgrade your workstation needs. Stay tuned as we delve into all the details. Let's kick things off with an overview of the GUK JOB Wireless Keyboard and Mouse Combo. This combo offers the convenience of a 2.4 GHz wireless connection with a single USB receiver that connects both the keyboard and mouse to your computer, all without the need for drivers or software. Plus, it boasts an impressive wireless range of up to 30 meters, ensuring a clutter-free desk setup. One of the standout features of this combo is the full-size keyboard with a numeric keypad. It not only makes typing more comfortable but also boosts your productivity. Additionally, the keyboard comes equipped with multimedia hotkeys, providing easy access to functions like music control, volume adjustment, and email management. The GUK JOB keyboard takes typing to the next level with its noise reduction keys. Each key is designed with a square mechanism that enhances stability and ensures quick rebound without any delay. But what sets this keyboard apart is its retro round concave keycaps, which mimic the feel of an old-fashioned typewriter. This design isn't just visually appealing, it's also incredibly comfortable for extended office work, ensuring that your hands stay fatigue-free. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The keyboard is equipped with an auto power saving function. After 5 minutes of inactivity, it enters sleep mode to conserve energy. This feature not only extends the battery life but also allows you to forget about constantly changing batteries. In fact, the keyboard can last up to an impressive 36 months on a single AAA battery. And don't worry, the mouse isn't left out, it runs on a single AA battery. Now, let's talk about compatibility. The GUK JOB Wireless Keyboard and Mouse Combo is a versatile pair that works seamlessly with a variety of devices. Whether you're using a PC, Mac, desktop, laptop, or notebook, this combo has you covered. It's an excellent choice for personal offices and corporate businesses alike. In conclusion, the GUK JOB Wireless Keyboard and Mouse Combo offers a seamless and comfortable typing experience paired with the convenience of wireless connectivity. Whether you're working on a project, streaming content, or managing emails, this combo has got you covered. That's a wrap for our review of the GUK JOB Wireless Keyboard and Mouse Combo. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to UK Pro Reviewer for more insightful tech reviews. If you have any questions or personal experiences with this combo, feel free to share them in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.